Oh, we only need one more. We only need one more. Oh, shit. Oh, my gosh. This is wild, y'all. Ooh, this is wild. Oh, we just hit it. We just hit it live. Oh, my gosh. I just hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Let's look at this journey. Let's honestly take some time and look at this journey. I started my channel. Shout out to that person who just did that. I started my channel in 2017. The reason I started my channel was to become a flight attendant. And well, I actually became a flight attendant. And being a black male flight attendant that was heterosexual, straight male, most people haven't seen it before. I never seen it before. So people, whenever I tell somebody I'm a flight attendant, oh my gosh, always wanted to become a flight attendant. How did you do it? How did you do it? I get that question asked like 3 to 5 times a day. And after a while, I'm like, it's sad of me keep on answering this damn question. Let me record whoever that just unsubscribed. I got something for you. Let me see where it's at.
What you say? I said whoever threw that paper, your mom's
out. So I'm like, okay, let me do 3 videos. And the videos was literally the main 3 you need to know how to become a flight attendant, handling the interview process. The first one was, why did I become a flight attendant and how to become one? Look at the quality. I always knew how to edit a little bit. Wow. Success cards will to Lando success. So my editing skills wasn't bad, and y'all see me over at the crib now. Carswell leaving you my first YouTube video. So basically I'm a flight attendant, and I always get so many questions. How can you become a flight attendant? How does the interview? I remember I did this video, and the whole time I was looking at the wrong part of the camera. So it took me like 2 hours to do this, and my boy Hewlin was like, hey dog, you gotta do that shit over. I was like, nigga, what you mean I gotta do it over? He was like, you looking over there. And he like, you wanna be the greatest? Ah, shit. Did it over, right? So that was the beginning of my journey. Once I did these 3 videos, right? 1, 2, 3 was 4. Did like these 4 videos 5 years ago. And I just literally let them get views and just disappear from YouTube because I didn't plan to be a YouTuber. I just did this for whenever people ask me, I just send them the videos. Now, what ended up happening, and this was all flight attendant content, everything changed right here 2 years ago. Who is Lando Success? That's when I decided to pivot my channel. And that's why you see it's like, okay, well, 2016 subscribers, look at that. Look how low that was. So for people that actually start YouTube, look, I was active on it, but October, over a year, we almost at 2 years, yo. We're past 2 years. It took me past 2 years to get to 100 subscribers. Now, mind you, I wasn't putting out videos and content, but it took me literally 2 years to do that shit. Now, we about to do a pause right there. And it's time to take a motherfucking shot. Let's go. Who keep on subscribing and unsubscribing?
What you say? I said whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
All right, so it took us 2 years to hit 100, right? I quit my job to go full-time YouTube. I still had my truck driving situation, so I knew I quit my job to make more money. I knew I could always make money. That wasn't a problem. But I wanted to go full-time on YouTube. You just couldn't fully say that shit to nobody out loud because they're going to be like, hold on, dog. Hold on, dog. You're telling people, it's like, all right, I quit to go full-time YouTube. And what they would do is like, all right, that's dope. How much money you making with YouTube? I ain't making no money yet. You ain't making no money yet. So it's hard for pimp. So this show you how to get serious. So we are in March 2020, right? For you to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 watch hours. Look at this. I quit last March, not this March. So this was March I quit. I quit March 2021. And soon as I quit, the next month I got I got monetized. So quit in March. And we'll say I was at 800 something subscribers. And I'm like, I'm already there. Soon as I hit 1,000, I shot past that shit quick. T4 was like, bro, what the hell going on with your channel? Like, look at that. It went crazy. And then next you seen the road to 10K. Bam. Quick as hell. After that, it's just been a slow stroke. Nothing but consistency, educating yourself, grinding, and hard work. People like, man, how you basically get to that level? I'm going to tell you the truth. What exactly happened is I realized if I want to compete with the best, in my RAM, you got the Graham Steffens, you got the Andre Jick, you got the Meat Kevins. All of them was doing 3 videos a week on average. And sometimes I'll do 1 video a week, once every 2 weeks. Great week, I do 3 videos. It was hard. So I realized, I'm like, look, if you do the same thing they're doing, you'll never catch up. You got to do 3 times whatever they're doing. Got to do 3 times whatever they're doing. So I went from posting 3 videos a week to a video a day. Channel completely took off. Video every day. Let's do 2 videos a day. Let's do 3. So now you guys see how I do like 3 to 5 videos in a day, because since I do it so much now, it's effortless. I can do it in 1 take now. It's harder, but I know how to finesse it because I want to get the content out there. So it's definitely a great ride. I appreciate you guys. 20K. It's a dope feeling. We're going to celebrate today. Then after that, next celebration, 30K probably. Because it's not easy to basically get here. Next level is, and it's a great time because I just signed a great contract. We are home, baby. Congratulations. I owe you a shot. You owe me a shot and some yams. Thank you. Appreciate it, baby. Y'all made it home safely. Shout out to my wife, man, because when you have a 2-year-old that want all your time, it's no way I can reach 20,000 subscribers without her having my back. Gotta be hard being married to like a YouTuber, because throughout the day, all I'm doing is thinking about YouTube, planning videos, doing the research about it. And in the middle of a conversation, it's like, all right, pause. Let me hurry up and go do this TikTok real quick. Then it's like, okay, we at the new house cleaning up. I clean up for an hour. Then I doke off. She come in the garage. I'm recording, babe. Shh. Be quiet. So it's tough. I know it's definitely tough, but we're going to reap the benefits from it in the future. Shout out to my wife. I love you. I appreciate you for holding the team down. 20K, road to 30K. She like chill.